The pump assembly has several engineering connections attached to it. The first being a cylindrical connection between the base and the cap, essentially to have them share axes and then have the cap fit over the top of the base. The second connection is a cylindrical connection between the base and the plunger or the compressor. And that one is also cylindrical just to ensure that the compressor can only move up and down along the shared axis. A third connection is a planar connection between the cap and the compressor to make sure that the compressor is guided by the square hole in the top of the cap to move up and down. And finally, there's a rigid connection, three-dimensional planes all around between the handle and the compressor, so they are essentially glued at the top. The next four connections were defined using the Define Kinematics tool. For potential motion, the first is a rigid connection between the base and the cap. Make sure they stay in place during any play. The second is a rigid connection between the handle and the compressor, also ensuring that in any motion that they stay connected. The third is a prismatic that connection that is turned into a command. It appears up in the pump action section as a command, and it will be enabled to move. And finally, a fixed connection to the base to keep the entire assembly in place. The prismatic command in the pump action mechanical representation renamed is selected. The play button in the compass is pressed, and we see the pump action